Alright, so this is a quick install on my 2014 BMW 335i X-Drive F30. We got a BMS Sport Oil Valve Cooler and a BMS Billet Thermostat. Alright, so we got the original part out. You want to keep this just in case. Keep both parts. This is the valve. And once you take this out, you just literally like grab it right here and just pull it out. And then you also want to take out the spring. You don't need this. Once you have that out, the BMS logo has to be facing outward, so you're gonna put it like this. The longer part goes in, the other one stays out. You just push it till it clicks. And then you grab your billet. Grab the original screws. Just line it up with like the sport cooling valve. And then you just screw it back in, put your other bolt right here, and that's pretty much it.